In 2025, a new and exciting idea for creating Shawnee channel content is gaining traction. Friends, if you're interested in earning revenue from a Shawnee channel, make sure to watch this video till the end. Many creators are now working on Shawnee channels and earning thousands of dollars monthly. The answer is yes, you too can do it. Today, we'll explore a short niche idea targeted at a USA audience. Now, don't be alarmed by the idea of making content for the USA. You don't need to speak fluent English or create original videos. Instead, we'll leverage simple techniques to create English content with ease. The key reason to target the USA is the significantly higher RPM, revenue per mille. For example, where Indian creators earn almost nothing for 1,000 video views, USA creators can earn approximately $1 per 1,000 views. This makes targeting the USA audience a great way to maximize earnings. To achieve this, we'll source videos from platforms that provide English content without copyright issues. Once we download these videos, we'll apply advanced editing techniques to eliminate any copyright risks. Let's break down the process. Start by downloading an application named P from the Play Store. Open the app and click on Continue With to get started. Scroll through the app to discover motivational videos and photos. Find a video you like, but remember, don't download it directly. First, ensure it's a good quality English video by previewing it. If not, scroll further for better options. Once you've selected a video, click on the three dots below it, copy the link, and paste it into a trusted website where you can download the video safely. After downloading, it's time for editing. Import the video into your editing tool. If the video includes a watermark or logo, remove it by clicking the cross button. Next, make slight adjustments to differentiate the content. Zoom in slightly and enhance the video using editing options like sharpening, reducing shadows to -5, and decreasing saturation for a distinct look. Adjust the speed as necessary, slower for dramatic effect or faster for an energetic vibe. Now comes the most crucial step, making your channel safe and ensuring it's monetizable. Listen carefully to the video and note down all the words spoken. You can do this by observing the captions in the video. Write these words into your notepad to prepare a script. Use this script for a voiceover. Record your voice using the red button in the audio section, or convert the text into realistic AI-generated voiceovers using tools like 11 Lab. If you're unfamiliar with AI voice generation, check out our tutorial videos on this topic. Avoid directly copying someone else's content. Uploading such videos may result in copyright strikes, which can lead to your channel being permanently terminated. Instead, personalize and enhance the video using the methods mentioned. For those curious about extracting scripts from videos without captions, stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where I'll explain how to use AI tools to generate scripts, do voiceovers, and create captivating USA-targeted short videos step by step. Finally, if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. Your subscription motivates me to create more content. See you in the next video.